Namaste, I am Dr. Rajendra Prasad, CEO SJ Ayurveda. Last video I have discussed few Ayurvedic treatments and today's relevance, how we can interpret the treatment methodology effectiveness on today's scenario. I am going to explain one more treatment in this session also. Before I explain it, I request you to go through a 1-minute video which will give you a initial information which I will be talking and interpreting with an Ayurvedic treatment. So please go through this video now.
Water at the higher level is collected in the forebay. It flows through the plant intake into a pipe called a penstock, which carries it down to a turbine water wheel at the lower water level. The water pressure increases as it flows down the penstock. It is this pressure and flow that drives the turbine that is connected to the generator. Inside the generator this produces electricity that can be stepped up in voltage through the station transformers and sent across transmission lines. The falling water, having served its purpose, exits the generating station to the tail race, where it...
Thank you for watching the video. What we have seen in this video is a hydel power, how it is generated. From a dam, the water is being brought it down through a channel to a turbine which is being moved by the force of this water, where the magnets and the system is prepared, where it hits the turbines and it rotates. There the electrons are being produced through this magnet waves. When these electrons are produced, it is being collected by receptors and then transmitted through a transmitting system. In our body also, we have a similar system called central nervous system, where it requires energy from one particular place, where from the brain, from pituitary gland, all the endocrinology is being controlled, and the system is being, total nervous system, central nervous system is being functioning from the brain. When we do a treatment called Shirodhara, like pouring water, pouring kashaya or buttermilk, medicated buttermilk, or thailam, which is a medicated thailam oil, what it happens is wherein the dam, the water comes from a height to the turbines is in a macro level, wherein this Shirodhara, the height is very limited, the force of speed is also limited. So it happens in a micro level. The brain, receptors, pituitary gland, whatever it is, the total brain system produces the electrons. While using oil, we know that sesame oil is one of the best oil or one of the best ingredient for the body, where to overcome the free radicals. It has a lot of antioxidants. While doing this Shirodhara, the central nervous system collects these antioxidants and pushes this through central nervous system and eradicates or then moves the free radicals and makes body stress free. And also when we do Takradhara, what we call buttermilk, where the buttermilk is an alkaline property, their body requires more alkaline property nature to survive disease-free condition. In this also, the buttermilk carries that alkaline nature, and this through this particular treatment, though the medical properties are being separately also can be discussed, but the system I am just talking now, it absorbs the alkaline properties and circulates among the body. This treatment produces antioxidants absorption and alkaline properties absorption, and the medical herbs which are being added to this particular medium, whether it can be thailam or it can be buttermilk, whatever it is, the medical properties, the herbs properties also being absorbed, and the brain receives that, or the major functional system receives that and transmits through total central nervous system. This is a small example, just I want to present it to you, like the hydel power, the generation of the electricity. Similarly, this treatment Shirodhara also can be correlated together to understand this particular treatment in a better way, because Nowadays, when somebody prescribes Shirodhara, how it works, we don't know. Generally, to explain it in Ayurvedic methodology, it is very difficult to understand for the common public. So this small effort, I would like to present it to you, the nature of treatment, how it will be effective in our body. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.
SG Ayurveda Hospital, Periyanaikapalayam, Coimbatore.